The aim of this video is to answer question 15. From a point A on level ground, the angle of elevation to the top of a pine tree is 30 degrees. From point B, also on the ground, 20 meters away from point A, and in line with A and the foot of the pine tree, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree is 60 degrees. Now the first thing to note is as you get closer to something, the angle of elevation will increase. Thus, point A is further away from the base of the tree than point B. So A is about drawing a labeled diagram and mark the size of all the angles. So in part A, that's 90 degrees, and that's where X, which is the height of the pine tree. I have point A, which is furthest away, angle of elevation 30 degrees. Then some point closer, call it point B, angle of elevation 60 degrees. I know the difference between them is 20 meters because that's how much it's from B to A. Part B. Write an equation to express the height of the pine tree called h. So I'll just change this to h. In terms of the distance from B to the pine tree, and that is called D. So there at the bottom, that's called D. To answer this, I'm going to look at a triangle. I'm just going to put in more points. Just going to put the apex C, and yet the bottom of the pine tree, let's call that capital D. So if I look at triangle CDB, I know D is at BD, H is that side, and 60 degrees at angle B. So if I now label the hypotenuse, the opposite the 60 degrees, the next to the 60 degrees, and write down saw her, car her, tore her. So I kind of know H and D, so I can tick O and A. So first O, then A, which means the link together through tan. That's how I can say tan 60 degrees is opposite, which is H, adjacent is D. And the question wants, if you go back to the question, H in terms of D. So H as the subject. So I need to backtrack the divide by D by multiplying by D. Therefore, I will get H is equal to D times by tan 60 degrees. Now part C. Write an equation to express the height of the pine tree in terms of the distance from A to the pine tree. Now the distance from A to the pine tree, that's a length AD. So if I draw that triangle, AD and H is there, the height between C and D. A and D will then be 20 plus the D for the distance between B and D. Same story, 90 degree at D. Label the triangle with an hypotenuse. And then I also know the angle at A, which is 30 degrees. So opposite that angle is H. Next to it is A. Write down saw her, car her, tore her. And again, O and A is what's given. So I can tick O, tick A. Together it's tan. So I can write down tan of 30 degrees is opposite H. And adjacent is 20 plus D. Read the question again, and it says the height of the pine tree, and that's H in terms of that other distance. So let's get H on its own. So backtrack 20, divide by 20 plus D by multiplying. So H is in a bracket this time, 20 plus D, times that by tan 30 degrees. Now we're at part D. You shot two equations from B and C. I'm just going to label the one from B1 and the one from C equation 2. And they want us to find the distance from B to the pine tree. That means I'm looking for D. So that D. Both are equal to H. So in part D, I can say equation 1 equals equation 2. So that gives me D tan 60 is equal to 20 plus D tan 30 degrees. Now tan 30 and tan 60 are just numbers, so I can divide by tan 30 on both sides. So I get D times by tan 60 over tan 30 degrees equals 20 plus d. Now remember the aim is to solve for d, so let's move d to the left. So I'll go d times by tan 60 over tan 30 degrees. Take away d is 20. Next step, factorize the d. Just want to draw a line there, so I'm going to do it there. Take out the d. Then I'm left with tan 60 over tan 30 degrees. Take 1. Then divide by the bracket to get d on its own. So it's 20 over tan 60 over tan 30. Take 1. Type that into your calculator exactly like that, and you'll get d is 10. So that's the answer then for part D. So thus from B to the pine tree is 10 and the unit is meters. To finish off, I'll answer E here at the top. It's just asking how high is the pine tree, that's H. So go back to equation 1. In equation 1, I know H is D, which is 10. Then you just go tan 60, use your calculator, and you will type it in, and you get 17.32. Thus, the height is 17.32 meters. Don't forget the units. Thank you.